ICICI Bank put out its Q1 FY21 numbers earlier today, and they were a mixed set of numbers. Mixed because the moratorium percentage has come down from 30% to 17.5%, which is quite a reduction. But compared to what we've seen with Axis Bank and HDFC Bank, it's definitely on the lower side. Some people might have hoped for a better number. Now, apart from that, the NII came in at 9,280 versus the 80 now poll of 9,100. So that was a beat. The profit came in at 2,600 versus the ET now poll of 3,300. But that was on the back of provisions which were also around 1,800 crores higher than the ET now poll of 5,600, coming in at 7,300. So if you assume that the provisions had met the brokerage estimates, in that case on profitability it would have been a beat, but the provisions were indeed higher. The COVID provision alone this quarter was 5,500 crores, and the total provisioning now attributed to COVID alone for ICICI Bank is 8,275 crores. Apart from this, at the operating level, our estimate was 9,600. It came in ahead of that at 10,300 odd. So it was an improved performance there as well. The NIMs moderated slightly to around 3.69. And that's because management flagged off that there's a lot of excess liquidity right now with not enough lending opportunities. So that's what had an adverse impact on margins. But with that being said, caution is more important right now. So they also did say that credit growth might be slowing a bit, and they do have a strong deposit inflow. But at the same time, that's also resulting in a very healthy LCR ratio, which is your liquidity coverage ratio. I think now the management said it's around 140%. So that's pretty healthy as well. So these are the kind of cues you have to look out for on the growth front. If you look at the asset quality, we're going to wait for Q2 to see when the moratorium lifts, what the full extent of NPAs is that will come up. The BB book saw an increase in this quarter of around 500 crores. There was about 1,000 crore addition to the gross NPAs, although they came down on percentage terms, both gross and net NPAs. So one might say stable asset quality, but then again, once the moratorium is lifted, we'll see what the bank kind of recognizes as NPA at that time to come to a more concrete figure on the asset quality. So the capital adequacy at the same time is 16%. The management said that the 15,000 crore raise has been approved. It'll strengthen the competitive position of the bank and also give them any capital they need to grow, as well as manage any stress that might come up in the near future. So we'll be awaiting some more details on that as well. And those are broadly the cues to look out for from the Q1 number. It'll be interesting to see how the market reacts to the numbers when the session opens on Monday.